Welcome back, Moten Scholars. Today is April 17th, and we are working on day 4 of Packet Unit 4. Our today's objective is I can write a thesis statement and I can write an informative writing. So that is what we will be working on today. First, we're going to look at how we formulate our thesis statement. And this is a refresher to a lot of you, and a few of you, it may be something new, maybe one of the topics that you missed. So I will take my time to make sure that I chunk the information and make sure that you have a clear understanding. So a thesis statement. What is a thesis statement? Okay, does anyone remember? Corinne, would you like to answer that question? What is a thesis statement? Absolutely, that's correct, Corinne. A thesis statement is a claim. It's basically a claim that you are making about a particular topic. Okay, it is a claim, and it's a claim that must be supported by evidence. So therefore, a thesis statement has to do with factual writing, which we call informative writing or expository writing. Okay, so let's look at today's prompt. So in your activity for today, you are given a prompt, and they are asking you to create a thesis statement from the prompt and then develop that thesis statement into an informative writing. Let's look at the prompt. The prompt says, explain how Edison persevered to invent the light bulb. Now, we see the word persevered. Who can tell me what that word means? Let's call on Amani this time. Amani, would you like to tell us what the word persevere means? That is correct, Amani. Yes, the word persevere simply means to keep trying. Don't give up. When you come across the challenges, keep trying to find a solution. Never give up. So that is what Thomas Edison did when he invented the light bulb. Okay? He did not give up. He persevered. Okay, so that is the prompt that we are writing from today, and which gives us our topic. So now we must formulate a claim about this prompt, how he persevered. Now, I've made up an example thesis for you. I'm making a claim here in step 2. I'm going to make a claim, okay? First, we have our topic, which is a prompt that's given. And now I'm going to make a claim about that topic, all right? My claim is Edison faced many challenges experimenting with inventing the light bulb. Okay, so that's the claim I'm making. Now, I must support this claim. I'm claiming that he was faced with many challenges when he went into his laboratory night after night, day after day, trying to come up with how he could take electricity, how he could capture electricity to form light in a light bulb. So now I must explain how he faced these challenges and how he overcame them as well. So that is what my claim will be. So where does this thesis statement go? It goes inside of your introduction paragraph. Now, we know how to create an introduction paragraph. We know that we want to first give a good hook in our introduction paragraph so that we can capture the reader's attention. Okay, once we get that attention in the informative writing, we want to briefly introduce what we're writing about. After we introduce that, it may be a sentence or two, then we want to roll out our thesis statement. So this is how you will create your introduction paragraph. You will start with a hook, you will briefly explain what you're writing, and then you will make a claim about this article. And my claim is going to be that Edison was faced with challenges experimenting with how to invent the light bulb. So now what I will have to do, if I'm going to use this statement, this thesis statement, I must now go back into my article and I must find supporting details that will support this thesis claim. That is how you create your thesis. Okay? So I want you guys to go ahead and get started. Have fun with this. Don't overthink it. Just take your time, follow this information, and you can also follow your toolkit that we used in class where we talked about creating thesis and how we practice. So if you have that information with you, please pull it out because it could be of great use to you. But if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call on me. Okay? Have a good one, and I'll check in on you soon.